Hey everybody! Today, we'll learn how to draw and color a funny joke about a tomato together. We'll start by drawing a large oval, just like this. Hello, Beep! We're learning how to draw a funny joke about a tomato. Would you like to learn with us? Great! Here's the joke we'll learn to draw. How do you fix a broken tomato? I'll tell you the answer at the end of the video. For the eyes, we'll make two curved lines, just like these. Let's give our tomato a huge smile. Next, we'll draw a small heart shape for the tongue. Let's finish our tomato by drawing two leaves on the top of its head. Then, let's add a short, straight line for the stem. Hello again. I'm glad you like our drawing. Do you remember our joke? How do you fix a broken tomato? Since this is a broken tomato, we'll need to draw a crack by making a zigzag line right here. Don't worry, Beep. The broken tomato will be just fine. Beep, how can we help the tomato? Great idea! We can give the tomato a Band-Aid. We can draw a Band-Aid by making a curved rectangle shape over the crack, just like this. We can draw a small square inside the rectangle to finish our Band-Aid. That's better. Now that we've drawn our tomato, it's time to color it in. What color is a tomato? That's right, tomatoes are red. Let's color our tomato red. Wonderful! Let's use a darker red for the mouth. What color should we use for the tongue? Sure! Pink will look great. What color should we make the leaves? Green is a fantastic choice. What color should we use for the Band-Aid? Oh! A tan color will work nicely. Look at what we just drew. It's wonderful. Before I tell you the punchline to the joke, Beep, would you use your magic to finish our drawing? Incredible work! Thanks, Beep. Now, the punchline for our joke. How do you fix a broken tomato? Tomato paste! Thank you for drawing a funny joke with me today. See you next time!